Fresh tension over Jamaica's roadworks program after persistent public complaints that newly paved roads are being dug up almost as quickly as they are completed. But the National Works Agency is pushing back firmly, rejecting the narrative that poor coordination is to be blamed. Instead, the agency says the real culprit is aging infrastructure on the brink of failure.
It's a frustration many Jamaicans know all too well. A freshly paved road today, torn open tomorrow. But CEO of the National Works Agency, Everton Hunter, says that popular belief that the National Water Commission is recklessly digging up new roads is simply not true.
I doubt whether the persons in the water industry get up in the morning, put on their clothes to go to work to say, which new road should I go and dig today? No, it doesn't work like that.
Instead, Mr. Hunter points to a silent, decades-old problem lurking underground. Pipes, some more than half a century old, fragile, cracked, and unable to withstand the pressure of modern development.
The water supply infrastructure that we have is very old. The pipes have been lying in sweet repose for 60, 70 years. Generally, they are asbestos cement pipes, which experience cracks from earth tremors. During the construction process, the heavy equipment stresses the pipe.
And the problem, he says, is often invisible until it's too late. Chairman of the Public Administration and Appropriations Committee, Peter Bunting, weighing in.
You put a vibrating roller on top of a 50-year-old concrete asbestos pipes, and you're bound to get...
Mr. Hunter explains it's not sabotage, it's science. Leaks start small, almost undetectable.
The first amount of water that escapes from a leak will go down because of gravity. Sooner or later, the soil becomes saturated, and then it moves up and manifests itself. So it's not by magic. It's by engineering and physics why that happens.
And that reality, he argues, exposes a deeper issue that roadworks alone cannot fix: the need for full-scale replacement of Jamaica's aging water infrastructure, a key component, he says, of the government's Spark program.
And we take another break, but stay with us. News from overseas when we come back.